Are you preening? Are you preening? Oh, you want me to preen you? Excuse my acne. Mom, give me tickles. Mom, please. Mom, please give me tickles. Mom, ow. Mom, please. Please, or I'll chew your zits off. Hey, don't do that. Here, what if I use this hand? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's what I wanted. Oh, that feels good. Oh, it's not focused on you. It's so dark in here. It's so dark. I don't get any tickles or kisses. What are you? No, you don't preen those. I know, they don't look like they belong because they don't. But you can't preen them off. That would hurt too much. That would hurt too much. And that's gross. I saw that.